Good afternoon. So, for our state of Maharashtra, in past few days, you have seen that minimum temperature is not falling that much. So, today for state, the lowest temperature recorded, that is over Mahabaleshwar, 14.8 degrees centigrade, followed by Pune and Nasik with 15.1 degrees centigrade. For Madhya Maharashtra, it is ranging between 16 to 18 degree. Konkan, Goa region 20 to 22 degrees centigrade. Marathwada, it is 16 to 18 degrees centigrade on an average, and for Vidarbha it is 16-17 degrees centigrade. So now, for country as a whole, there is no strong system even adjacent to our state, no strong system. But one thing is, one western disturbance is expected something around 13th of December. It is likely to affect western Himalayan region, and at the same time, over from Bay of Bengal, northeasterly wind is penetrating. It is moisture feed a bit and reaching our state currently in the form of easterly wind, and it is expected in the coming days, means around 12th onward, it is likely to change into east southeasterly, followed by around 13th 14th it will be changing to southeasterly, and then ultimately to southerly wind in the coming days. And it is seen through our model products that there may be chance of little bit interaction of this southerly wind and northerly wind coming from north. So maybe that interaction over our state commencing from around 14th 15th of December. So based on this, the forecast for the different meteorological subdivisions of the state are Konkan, Goa. Today there is a little bit chance of isolated rain, especially in southern districts of Konkan. Then next 48 hours, it would be likely to be dry. 13th onward, chance of cloudiness will increase. It will be partly cloudy, and then 14th onward, for a couple of days, there may be chance of isolated rain. Similar is the case with Madhya Maharashtra. So 14 to 16, 17, 18, that period is chance of isolated very light to light rain. Coming to Marathwada, here 14, 15th to 17th, around 3-4 days, here also maybe chance of isolated rain with partly cloudy condition, and an afternoon time mostly cloudy condition for some hours may happen. For Vidarbha, chance of rain during that period also is very less. But western, southwest part of Vidarbha may get little bit partly cloudy condition during 14th to 17th period. Now coming to Pune city, in and around weather condition, 10th to 12th, it would be mainly clear sky, followed by afternoon time to time partly cloudy condition. Late night, early morning, there is chance of little bit haze or maybe little bit visibility problem. 13th, likely chance of partly cloudy condition. 14th to 17th, 18th, it would be partly cloudy condition. Afternoon time to time, maybe a cloud amount will increase, and chance of very light rain cannot be ruled out. So that is the condition, and obviously during the period, fall in minimum temperature not possible, is ruled out. And for the state also, as I said, the wind pattern, discuss the wind pattern, naturally a chance of fall in minimum temperature is not likely. Coming to India Meteorological Department extended range forecast. So here 10 to 16th week it is expected below normal maximum temperature for the state, but minimum temperature would be above normal. For the next week 17 to 23 maximum temperature would be expected to be likely to be far below normal, and minimum temperature is also likely to be below normal. So that's all right now. Time to time, kindly watch our website for latest weather update. Be safe, take your care. Thank you.